gonna die.
Right.
Quit your whining. You can still have it. Give that to me.
The only thing good I wanted out of it.
What, was that piece of aluminum you can recycle?
Yeah, who'd have thought?
Holy crap. A Buick can support, look, a Buick can support a whole bulldozer.
I needed all those bolts. Now they're all gone.
For what? For what? Oh, you poor thing. Look at your broken alternator. Oh my God, how can we rebuild that?
Alternators don't.
Well, you didn't want your roof crushed and it's not crushed. There you tisk.
Well, I got an extra chain.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust, and all that crap.
Water so fucking cockeyed in there.
Oh, it looks crooked. Look at the motor mounts ripped right up.
Well, Miles, that's what you got for dirty in a tempo.
And it broke the frame too. Hey, your tempo.
Yeah, no frames broke, that's for sure.
Well, if you look underneath the swing arm deals, the K-frame.
No, the K-frame's touching the ground, it's so low.
Yeah, something's fucked there.
Well, it looks like your air conditioning compressor protected you in an accident. All right, let's see if she'll start and blow.
Doors open.
My doors don't even open.
And the door opens.
Mine's like a real derby car. The doors don't open.
There's a piece of shit.
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, there's some compression problems. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, I think it's got no compression now. This is going to turn into a cranker wanker video.
What?
Cranker wanker video. It's blowing smoke out the antifreeze pipe. So that's showing you how bad the head is cracked.
Radio still works.
The radio works.
Head's
Cool.
cracked?
Yep, head's cracked. Heavy.
How can you tell?
Because it's blowing exhaust out the coolant pipe. Uh-oh.
Let's go smash with the bulldozer now.
It's fucked.
Shall we go smash it?
I need to get the axles off this car for my car, so we can't crush it yet.